Hello children, welcome to Acharya Shri Vijay Vallabh Primary School, Standard 3, English Grammar, Unseen Comprehension. The topic is a clever donkey. Unseen comprehension. Unseen comprehension means children that you will be given a passage which is not in your Balbharti textbook or any other textbook. Okay? The thing what you have to do is you have to read the passage, understand it, and based on that, few questions will be given to you and you have to answer these questions. So that is called as comprehension. And unseen comprehension means that the passage which is given to you is not there in any of your textbooks. So it is your duty to read it and understand it and then answer the questions. So one of those passages is the clever donkey. Now as I read, even you read it and try to understand it. Okay? Pandu lived in a village. He used to supply milk to the villagers. Every morning, his donkey and he went for their rounds. One day, Pandu fell sick. He did not know how to reach the milk to his customers. So his wife suggested to send the donkey with vessels of milk. Pandu agreed. He hung a board around the donkey's neck with the words, "Please collect your milk and put the money in the bag." So in this picture you can see there's a board hung around the donkey's neck. And on that board what is written? "Please collect your milk and put the money in the bag." So you can see that bag. That bag is also hung around the donkey's neck. And the milk can is also kept. So people who look at this donkey, they have to read the board, take their milk and then put the money in the bag. The donkey then followed the route it had learnt. It went to a house and pulled the bell rope with his teeth. A villager came out, read the notice, took his milk and put the money in the bag. You can see this villager. When he heard the bell, he came out and saw the donkey with the board. So he read the board. It was written, "Please collect your milk and put the money in the bag." So he took the milk from the can, he put the money in the bag and now he is going. This way all the people in the village, they took the milk, put the money in the bag. In this way the donkey went to every villager's house and came back to Pandu with the milk vessels empty and the bag full of money. The people in the village are very sincere. So they did not just take the milk and did not put the money. It was not such a case. All the villagers, whoever took the milk, they put the money in the bag. And the donkey returned to Pandu with the empty milk vessel and a bag full of money. So this was the passage about the clever donkey. So Pandu said to his wife, what did he say? He was very happy with that donkey. So he said, "What a clever donkey we have." So see how Pandu is saying, "What a clever donkey we have." So this was all about the passage. Now based on the passage, there are few questions which we will read. Read the passage and answer the questions below. Where did Pandu live? So the answer is Pandu lived in a village. When you read the passage, the first line of the passage, you will find the answer. Pandu lived in a village. What work did he do? He used to supply money to the villagers. Why did he send the money donkey alone with the milk? He sent the donkey alone with the milk as he was sick. What was written on the board hanging around the donkey's neck? Please collect your money and put the money in the bag. These words were written on the board hanging around the donkey's neck. What did the donkey do to make the villager come out? The donkey went to a house and pulled the bell rope with his teeth to make the villager come out. What did the villagers do when they saw the donkey? The villagers came out, read the notice, took his milk, and put the money in the bag. Dash is the word used for something written for others to see and read. So the answer is board. Board is a word used for something written for others to see and read. Write rhyming words for the following. Rhyming words for village is damage. Rhyming word for fell is well. For went is spent. Okay, children? So I hope everyone has understood what is unseen passage comprehension. And this comprehension, you can see and write the answers in your grammar book. Okay? Thank you.